Today we're going to show you how to change the bottom spray arm bearing on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we're going to begin by opening the dishwasher door. Then we're going to remove the bottom rack and set that aside. And to give us a little easier access, we'll also remove the top rack. So just pull it out far enough that the rails extend past the actual rack, and then depress the locking tabs for the rack stops. Remove those. And we'll pull that top rack completely out and set it aside. And just push the rails back in out of the way. We'll next remove the bottom spray arm. There is a flat tab that holds that spray arm in place. Just turn that clockwise. Lift the spray arm off and set that aside. Next, we're going to remove the rear spray tower. There's a Phillips screw on the ceiling of the tub. We'll remove that. And then there's one on the back wall. We'll remove that. And then we'll tilt that spray tower forward, and then we'll rotate the whole assembly slightly clockwise until it disengages from the center hub, and just lift it up, pull the whole spray tower away. Now, with the manifold out of the way, we can pull the bottom bearing assembly out of the pump, slide off the old thin bearing and install the new one. Just slide it over top of the center bearing, drop that back into position. We'll reinstall the spray arm tower, position it over the center bearing, line up the tabs so that they fit down into the slots, rotate it counterclockwise till it locks in position. Then we'll replace the two Phillips screws. Put the bottom spray arm back into position. Just set it on top of that center bearing and then rotate that counterclockwise to tighten it. Make sure it turns freely on the new bearing. Next, we'll pull the rails out for the top rack, and we'll line that up. Just insert one set of wheels at a time. And push the rack back far enough that the rails extend beyond it. We'll set the rack stops back into position. Make sure they go down far enough that the locking tab engages. And then we'll reinstall the lower rack. And your repair is complete.